Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis, daily analysis for gold for 2nd of June 2025, starting with Forex Factory, see what's happening in the market, what's the news. Right. We got all, just to remind you, all these times are UK times. So we got 3 p.m. USD, ISM Manufacturing PMI. That's high impact. The medium impact ISM Manufacturing prices. Then we got 6 p.m. USD Fed Chair Powell speaks. So these are the news for USD. And going on to the gold chart, we're in the new month now and the new week as well. The monthly candle has closed and decision candle. So we do not know just by looking at the month what's happening in the market. Weekly, these retracements were expected because before a week, then before last week was bullish and this level was broken. And now, basically, we were expecting market to come to this level, and market tested this, came up to this level from here to here. This fair value gap was filled, this gap here, and now there's a rejection. So it clearly means that we definitely can expect the market break this high. First this high and then this high. Going on to daily, let's go back to weekly again, just looking at right this so as after the market close, it's just opened from here in the previous weeks, and this order block in daily has been tested. That was the expectation anyway. Now we got this area has been tested in daily because the overall trend is bullish. As you're aware of that, market is making higher highs in daily. So we definitely can expect on the break of this level in daily to move to the upside. Well, see what's happening in 4 hour. In 4 hour, you can see this level has been tested already. And now this area is being tested. So we can see some movement here. And then we might see movement to the upside from here, breakout. However, if this area is broken, then this area, then it might be possible to market can go further down, which I don't think so. So it's highly likely the market will go to the upside. Let's remove all this. So currently we have this level here. Then we have this level. Then we have this level as well. That's in 4 hour. 1 hour. We may see this gap to be filled, and then market can go up to the upside. 15 minutes, clear gap here. It's highly likely that this gap will be filled. There's no guarantee that it has to be filled. It's a level here, and then we got a value gap here. That's 15 minutes, sorry, not 20 minutes. So we can get a trade here or here, buy trade. But if you want to sell, there's a possibility that market will come at least up to this level. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this is helpful. Always use confirmations and uh, manage your risk. That's very important to be a profitable trader. Okay, I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Bye bye.